Hello Lions! Today I'm going to go over our citation tool, which is paired with our discovery tool. So I'm going to do a search. And at the top of the screen, you can see folder and sign in. I'm going to click this little folder next to the ebook. Then I'm going to go to the folder. If you do not sign in, your folder will stay with these items while you're in the browser session, but when you close the browser, it will empty. On this page, you can export if you have one of these accounts. You can email. And here you can choose your citation format. And you can also log in to an account. If you click sign in, we'll take you to this page. You can either sign in with a Google account or create an account through EBSCO. I recommend using your MSSU email. If you create an account, I recommend using your MSSU email. I have a Google account linked, so I'm going to sign in with that. Here, you can see that you can save articles and you can sort them into different folders. So for example, I have 3 articles in Compensation Fall 2020. I can select all, and I can email these with the HTML and the PDF as a separate attachment if I want, as well as by choosing if I want a brief citation, the citation abstract, or a detailed citation abstract. I can choose my citation format, and then if I don't want these items anymore, I can remove them after emailing. You can create new folders by hitting New, and you can also share folders. Items will stay in your folder until they are deleted out. If you have any trouble, please make sure to contact us through the library homepage. You can reach us at this email, you can call us, send us a text, or chat. Have a great day!